Tech Coders! Welcome to Coding Scrap. I'm Anaya and today we are going to make a random number generator in Scratch 3.0 using just a few blocks. In that, you can make your sprite guess any random number between two numbers which is provided by you. You can use it in your games, animations, or even when you're talking to your sprite. So let's get started. If you want, you can take this cat sprite, otherwise choose a sprite. You will come in the sprite library and I'm choosing the duck. I had decided already. Okay, now let's go to the events category and drag out when green flag clicked. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Next, go to the looks category and drag out say hello for 2 seconds. But we are not going to make our duck sprite or any sprite say hello. No, we have to make it guess any random number between two given numbers. So go to operators category for that. Pick random 1 to 10. Now you can change this 1 to 10 also, like I'm doing 5 to 50. And let's plop it in. There we go. You can even change the seconds, like let me do 1.25 seconds. Let's see how it goes. Full screen, green flag, 9. Yes. But now if you want more, like if you want your duck sprite to say it forever, say any random number between 5 to 50 forever. So for that, go to control section and take forever loop. You have to put say pick random inside the loop, and now it will be speaking any random number forever. Let's see how it goes. 48, 14, 22, 47, and so on. It will go on and on. If you only want your duck sprite to say it a few times, a few particular times, like if you want it only to say 2 times or 3 times or more, like any number of times, how will you tell it? From the same control category, take the repeat loop, and then how many times do you want to repeat? Like I want to repeat it 4 times. Now put that in, and now just count. It will speak 4 times. 20, 21, 31, 36. Yes, so yeah, it spoke 4 times. Let's again make it do, and let's see which numbers will it pick now. 35, 7, 32, 15. Yeah, and those were 4 numbers, and after that it stopped. That was really great, and now to make it more better, you can even add a backdrop of your own choice. Like let's add the boardwalk and make the sprite go over here. There we go. Now it will be the perfect random number generator in Scratch. And I really recommend you to use it because it's so fun. It just guesses any random number between two given numbers by you. So yeah, use it. It's really fun and interactive. So keep coding, keep scratching. Bye for now.